afternoon everyone. Yesterday in the previous class we discussed about the points related to the integers. Today I'll start the exercise 1.1. The first question of the exercise 1.1, you see here, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So this is the number line. On the number line at different values we are having a different places. See here, this is the 0 and there is a difference of 5. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. This is the positive side. So as in the representation of a number line, I said you that on the right hand side we will represent the positive numbers and on the left hand side we will represent the negative numbers. So see here also on the left hand side we are having the negative integers. Here also there is a difference of 0 to -5, -5 to -10. So we are having the same difference on the number line. Now 0 at 5 we are having a place as Shimla. At a 5, so following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places. So at Shimla we are having a temperature of 5 degrees Celsius. It is a positive, so it has a plus 5 degrees Celsius. And see 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. At 14 degrees Celsius we are having a place Ooty. Then you see 20, 21, 22. At 22 degrees Celsius we are having a place Bangalore. And the LHS side you see 0, -1, -2. At -2 degrees Celsius we are having a place Srinagar. And after the -5, -6, -7, -8. -8 we are having Lahaul Spiti. With this background we will solve the sub questions. The first sub question asks, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Now only I said you at what temperature, what is the place. Now we will solve it. Just we will make a column for this as they ask the place and the temperature. First I will write here as the place and here as temperature. So the first I will move from the left hand side. On the left hand side the first place is Lahaul Spiti. Lahaul Spiti. The first one is Lahaul Spiti. Lahaul Spiti is at a temperature of -8 degrees Celsius. The next second one, Srinagar. Srinagar is at a temperature of -2 degrees Celsius. Okay. The next third one, I'll write here. The third one, again here place and temperature. Third one. Third what it is? Shimla. Shimla is at a temperature of 5 degrees Celsius. Shimla at 5 degrees Celsius. The next is Ooty. Ooty is at 14 degrees Celsius. It is a positive plus 14 degrees Celsius. And the next is Bangalore. Bangalore, what I said, it is after 20, say 21 and 22. Each line indicates one difference. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So it is at a temperature of 22 degrees Celsius. This is what the first the main question first A. What is the question? Once again I will repeat. Observe this number line. You have to observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Here the places and the temperature is there. With that help of number line, we are going to write the places and temperature. The first one is Lahaul Spiti is at a -8 degrees Celsius and Srinagar it is at a temperature -2 degrees Celsius and Shimla 5 degrees Celsius Ooty 14 degrees Celsius and Bangalore 22 degrees Celsius. Second question. B1. See, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest place among the above? Among the above meaning means the above whatever the places are there. Among those, which is the hottest and which is the coldest place? Then, how to identify the hottest and the coldest place? See, the temperature, the place with which is having the highest temperature, it is called as the hottest place, and the place which is having the lowest temperature. Lowest temperature means it should be in the negative. In a negative also we will consider the highest number. In a negative integer, the highest number is the least. For example, we are having here -5 and -2. I am considering these two. In this, which is the least and which is the highest? Here, -2 is greater than -5. Whenever there is a negative sign, at the time the number which is less, that becomes the greater. This is applicable only for the negative integer. Now, with this background, we will see which is the hottest and which is the coldest place. The first one is hottest place. Which is the hottest place? As you know only, I said you the temperature of the different places. Bangalore is at 22 degrees Celsius. It is the highest. So, this becomes the hottest place. So, the hottest place is Bangalore. And its temperature is, already I said it as a plus 22 degrees Celsius. And now, the coldest place. Which is the coldest place? Coldest place. See here, Srinagar is at a temperature of -2 degrees Celsius. Whereas Lahaul Spiti is at a temperature of -8 degrees Celsius. As I said you, in a negative number, the highest number becomes the least and the least becomes the greater. So here the temperature of the coldest place is, that is -8. Sorry, first is place name. It has Lahaul Spiti. It is at a temperature of -8 degrees Celsius. Now, what we have to do here? Temperature difference. Difference meaning here it is a minus. Whenever you are having a term like difference in the question, at the time you should subtract these two. Now you see, a temperature difference between, what is the question? Temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place. Between the hottest and coldest place. See, what is the hottest place? It is Bangalore. So it is Bangalore. Temperature at Bangalore. Meaning is temperature at Bangalore. Minus, as I said, difference means it is minus. And the coldest place is Lahaul Spiti. Meaning is, just I am writing the name of the city here. Its meaning as temperature at Bangalore. Lahaul Spiti meaning temperature at Lahaul Spiti. Okay. And the next you see the temperature. What we are having the temperature here? At Bangalore it is plus 22 degree Celsius. And Lahaul Spiti, write the minus as it is, very important here, minus, and we are using minus 8 degree Celsius. At the time, Mustang should use the bracket. Then why we should use the bracket here? Don't write the sign at a time. For example, like minus minus, this is a wrong step. You should use, if you are having two signs, Mustang should use the bracket. This bracket indicates there is a multiplication. So it becomes minus into minus as plus. So this is a wrong step. You should follow this step. Now it is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So 22 degrees Celsius minus into minus plus 8 degree Celsius. 22 plus 8. It has 30 degree Celsius. So what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place? It is 30 degree Celsius. The next C question. See here, what is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar? Already we calculated the temperature at Lahaul Spiti and also the temperature at Srinagar. Here what they asked, temperature difference. What I said, difference meaning you should take the minus between those two temperature. Now solution. First you write down a temperature at Lahaul Spiti. Temperature at Lahaul Spiti. What is the temperature at Lahaul Spiti? See here it is minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 degree Celsius. And afterwards a temperature at Srinagar. Temperature at Srinagar. So what is the temperature at Srinagar? See 0, minus 1, minus 2 degree Celsius. Then what is the question? Temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. So temperature difference. Difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. And Srinagar. Okay, so I'll continue here. See, the temperature at Lahaul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, as I said, difference meaning you should take the minus sign. And Srinagar is minus 2 degree Celsius. Please use the bracket here. Now, minus 8 degrees Celsius, minus into minus as plus 2 degree Celsius. Now you see, in yesterday's class I said you, whenever two integers, like one is a positive integer and one is a negative integer, at the time we should take the difference of those two and write the sign of the bigger number. Here the bigger number is 8. It is with the minus sign. So as usual, here we will do the subtraction. That is 8 minus 2 as it is 6. And we should write the sign of the bigger number. It is minus. So it has a minus 6 degree Celsius. So finally the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar is minus 6 degree Celsius. First we have to write the temperature at Lahaul Spiti and after that temperature at Srinagar. The question asks temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. So difference means minus. So minus 8 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. So minus into minus plus. It is as usual the subtraction and you should keep the sign of the highest number. So minus 6 degree Celsius. the last sub question of this question as D1, that is, can you say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? See here in the statement, what in the question statement what we are having? Taken together. Taken together meaning is we have to add these two temperatures. Which temperature? Srinagar and Shimla. Is means those together temperature is less than the temperature at Shimla. Here we are comparing the temperature at different places. And also again one more question is there here. Is it this is belongs to these two temperature only. Is means Srinagar and Shimla taken together. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? See here what we have to do. First calculate the temperature taken together at Srinagar and Shimla. Add those two temperatures. And whatever the result you are getting, that you have to compare first with the Shimla, whether it is less than or more. And after that temperature only you have to compare with Srinagar. Same temperature, first you compare with the Shimla, and again the same temperature you should compare with the Srinagar, whether it is less or more, depending upon that taken together temperature. First you write down the solution as you see the temperature at Srinagar. Temperature at Srinagar. What is the temperature at Srinagar? Srinagar, it is at a temperature of -2 degrees Celsius. Then a temperature at Shimla. Temperature at Shimla. What is the temperature at Shimla? See here Shimla, it is at a temperature of +5 degrees Celsius. What we have to take here? Taken together means the temperature taken together is nothing but you have to add these two temperature. So temperature taken together. Okay, temperature taken together is equal to first -2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius. So it is -2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius, which is equals to 3 degrees Celsius. What we got? Temperature taken together as +3 degrees Celsius. Next is we have to compare this temperature with the temperature at Shimla. See, the temperature taken together is 3 degrees Celsius and the temperature at Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Which is more and which is less? This is less. 3 degrees Celsius is less as compared to the temperature at 5 degrees Celsius. So that what you have to write? The question as is less than the temperature at Shimla. So you have to write as 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. So you should write yes. Yes, it is less than the temperature at Shimla. Just you write down it as a yes. And one more question here. What is one more question we are having? Say, is it? Is it means which temperature you should take? It is 3 degrees Celsius. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? What is the temperature at Srinagar? -2 degrees Celsius. As I said you, the minus, whatever the numbers with the minus, those are less. So here positive. Negative is less and positive is more. Now this temperature becomes the more. As 3 degrees Celsius is greater than the -2 degrees Celsius. So it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. It is more than the temperature at Srinagar and Shimla taken together. So here you should write it as a no. For the first question it as a yes. The temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. But for this it is no. It is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. First, write down the temperature at Srinagar and afterwards the temperature at Shimla, and then the temperature taken together. What you have to do? Just you have to add those two temperatures. You will get the result. We have to compare this result with the separately the temperature at Shimla and the temperature at Srinagar. With this, we got the answer as first one is S and the second is no. The next, second question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks for wrong answer. See here, positive marks for correct answer and negative marks for wrong answer. So, if Jack score in 5 successive rounds, so one of the students name as Jacks. Okay. 5 successive rounds. So what do you mean by successive rounds? Means one after the other. Just one after the other is called as a successive rounds. There are the 5 rounds in a quiz competition. There is a quiz competition held in a school. Just to imagine that there is a quiz competition held in the school. And one of the student as Jacks, he scored some marks. These are the marks of a or is the score of a Jacks. What are those? 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15, 10. And why there is one is a positive and other is a negative? As they said, positive marks for correct answer and negative marks for wrong answer. He may sometimes told the correct answer, sometimes maybe wrong answer. With that the score as like one is positive and other is negative. Then what we have to do? What was his total at the end? Total. If in the statement, question statement, if you are having the word total, it means that you should add all these scores. Okay. So the solution as Jack's a total score. Jack's total score, which is equals to, as I said, you to add all these scores. So it is 25. Add means plus, and here is a minus. Please use the bracket. Don't write the two signs at a time without the bracket. You must ensure use the bracket. Plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Now see here, 25 plus into minus as minus, again plus into minus, minus plus 15 plus 20. Now I am solving the two numbers. 25 minus 5. First I will solve these two numbers. 25 minus 5 as 20. Next I will solve these two. One is with the minus 10 and other is a positive. One is negative, another is positive. Then you will do the subtraction. Minus 10 plus 15. Here the 15 is a greater number and it is with the positive. So it is plus 5. And this is the remaining last one that you write as this. So all the numbers is with the now positive. Add all these two. 20 plus 5 as 25 plus 30. Sorry, 25 plus 10. 25 plus 10. So the total score of Jack's was 35. Just you have to add all these numbers. So what you have to write at the last? Jack's total score was 35. Next, third question. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped. See children here, dropped meaning as it is decreased. Meaning of dropped as decreased by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So Monday was the temperature minus 5 degrees Celsius So it is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. The next day temperature we have to calculate here. That is Mondays after, that is Tuesday. Okay, this is one question. And again the question is continued here. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Here, rose meaning is it is increased. Dropped means decreased. Rose means it is increased. Here you should take it as a drop, it is minus. Rose means it is plus. Please see the words whatever you are using in the question. Understand the meaning of these words. Then what was the temperature on this day? On this day is nothing but on Wednesday. We are talking about now Wednesday. So on this day means it is Wednesday. Okay, see the solution is the temperature on Monday. This is the given data. We are writing from the question itself. On Monday, temperature at Srinagar. Temperature at Srinagar. How much it is? Minus 5 degrees Celsius. The next, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. As I said you, dropped meaning is decrease, and here you should take it as a minus. Now, next you have to calculate the temperature on Tuesday. So, the temperature on Tuesday. I will do, as I said, first you have to take the minus 5 degrees Celsius. As it is the drop, it is decreased. So it is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now both the integers are with the negative. We should add those two integers and write the sign of the respective number. Both the numbers are with the negative sign. So 5 plus 2 is 7. And both are with the minus, so it has a minus 7 degrees Celsius. Next is on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So on Wednesday it rose, meaning is temperature. On Wednesday temperature rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, so rose means we have to increase, or else we have to do the plus here. Next, on temperature on Wednesday. This is the temperature of Wednesday. That is what you have to do. Already before day we should consider, see here, while calculating the Tuesday, we are considering the temperature of Monday. Like that, while calculating the temperature on Wednesday, we should consider the previous day temperature. The previous day temperature was minus 7 degrees Celsius. Be careful while taking the temperature. Okay, now we should consider the temperature on Tuesday. When calculating the temperature on Tuesday, we are considering the temperature, that is the previous day temperature, that is the temperature on Monday. Now we should consider the temperature of Tuesday. So it is minus 7 degrees Celsius. It rose by, as I said, rose means it is plus 4 degrees Celsius. Now one is with the minus and other with the plus. What you will do? The subtraction. Subtraction as 7 minus 4 degrees Celsius, and here the highest number is 7 and it is with the minus sign. So keep the minus sign, and 7 minus 4 as it is 3 degree Celsius. So it is a minus 3 degree Celsius. The temperature on Wednesday as minus 3 degree Celsius. These two questions are asked here. One is the temperature on Tuesday and other is the temperature on Wednesday. The next fourth question is, see, a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. See here the figure, this is a sea. The sea level above the plane is flying and it is at a height of 5000 meter. Okay. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine. Submarine, this is the submarine. At a particular point from the submarine, the plane is flying here. And it is at a distance of, the submarine distance is 1200 meter below the sea level. This is, the plane is above the sea level and this submarine is below the sea level. Then what is the vertical distance between them? This is plane and the submarine. From plane to the submarine, what is the vertical distance we have to calculate here? See, from here to here already we are having it as a 5000 meter. And from this point, I will take this point as a O. From O to A, it has 5000 meter. And I will consider this the distance below the sea level of the submarine as B. From O to B, it has 1200 meter. We have to calculate the vertical distance. Vertical distance is nothing but AB. Then how will calculate the vertical distance AB? It is nothing but sum of OA plus OB. Meaning is we have to add these two distances. The solution as vertical distance between plane and submarine. What we are taking here it as a AB. AB is nothing but it is the sum of OA plus O. And what is the distance of OA here? It is 5000 meter and OB as 1200 meter. Now add it, 5000 plus 12, it has a 6200 meter. So this is the vertical distance between the plane and submarine. See, once again repeating the solution as first the question, in the question what they said, a plane is flying at a height of 5000 meter. This is the plane is flying at a height of 5000 and it is exactly above a submarine. 1200 meter below the sea level. The submarine is below the sea level at a distance of 1200 meter. Now we have to calculate the vertical distance. Vertical distance as AB. This as OA plus OB. So OA as 5000 meter and OB as 12,000 meter. So the vertical distance between plane and submarine is 6200 meter.